It's Valentine's Day time. My wife is expecting something special: flowers, chocolates, maybe a nice dinner. But what if I just bought dividend stocks instead? Would she notice? Would she care? And more importantly, which one actually lasts longer? This is Tony, and you're watching Tony Loves Investing. All right, before my wife watches this, let me explain. I love my wife, but as someone who's building a $100,000 dividend portfolio, I can't help but think about opportunity cost. Every dollar I spend is a dollar that's not working for us in the market. So today, I'm breaking down the math. Valentine's Day gifts versus dividend stocks. Which one provides more value? Which one lasts longer? And is there a way to make everyone happy? Let's start with a typical Valentine's Day. Flowers, let's say $50 for a nice bouquet. Chocolates, another $30 for the fancy stuff. A dinner at a nice gourmet five-star restaurant, easily $150 to $200 with drinks and tip. Maybe throw in a card. 10 bucks. We're looking at about $250, give or take. Now, here's the thing. Those flowers, they're dead in a week. The chocolates, gone in a few days. Don't get me wrong, these things have value. They show I care. But from a financial standpoint, that $250, it's gone. Now, let's talk about the alternative. What if I took that same $250 and bought dividend stocks instead? Let's say I put it into something solid, like a dividend ETF, SCHD, SPYD, something reliable. At a 4 to 5% dividend yield, that $250 would generate about $10 to $12 per year in dividends. Now, I know what you're thinking. 12 bucks? That's nothing. And you're right. In year one, it's not impressive. But those dividends get reinvested. They buy more shares. Those shares generate more dividends. Over time, that compounds. In 10 years, that $250 could be worth $400 or more, still generating dividends. In 20 years, maybe $600, $700, and it keeps growing. Compare that to flowers. In 10 years, those flowers are long gone. The dinner, a distant memory, but those dividend stocks, still there, still paying, still growing. Should I skip Valentine's Day and just buy stocks? I'm honestly confused. My wife deserves to feel appreciated. She supports my investing journey. She puts up with me talking about dividend yields at dinner. The least I can do is buy her some shares of SPYD for Valentine's Day, right? I'll call it the best of both worlds. She'd probably even thank me for it.
Happy Valentine's. I bought you stocks.
You bought stocks? Stocks, you idiot.
You know what, guys? Apparently, some people just don't appreciate dividend paying stocks for Valentine's Day. Yes, dividend stocks last longer than roses. Yes, compounding beats chocolates. But a happy marriage? That's priceless. And honestly, a happy wife means I can keep investing in peace. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe to Tony Loves Investing, and drop a comment. What are you doing for Valentine's Day? Spending or investing? I want to know. This is Tony, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, every share is a step closer to financial freedom.